to a game called Jony Upgrade. This is a game, guys. I continue to play it a little bit, but I'm showing you how to play it. Whenever you start the game, 3 seconds, and I can't move. Alright then, it didn't let me move. Right, upgrade my speed so I can click that and I can play. I'm not fast enough to cross that, so I have to you see how much you got to there, I think. And then now you got a bit more. You got a little bit faster. Collect the coins. Jump power lets you jump higher. Good. 3 seconds look like nothing. But what you need to do is just to do this. Coin, and then you're done. That wasn't enough, so why not collect a little bit more? Time limits. There you go. Now you have 9 seconds there. You can see that this is. I can hear, but my recording can't hear, guys. You can't hear it. You want speed 10 and 20. The speed is also very important. And there we go. I managed to cross out through that. There we go. I'm able to collect all these. There we go. Jump power 20. I'm gonna upgrade my jump power before I upgrade the rest of my speed. Wow. See, it was too high. Time limit. That gives me a bit more time. And also you have more of these life things. Look, that's because I didn't have enough. Right, I collected lots of coins there. To multiply, now this is very good actually. Look at this. 14. 15. No, I did 18. It sometimes does 1, 3, 4, 5, 7. It's kind of like that a little bit. Now, if we do the multiplier, we can do that. Now, I think it's 5, 7, 9. Look how much we got. Speeds, I got faster now. Before I continue upgrading the rest of my stuff. There we go. Energy. Now you got 2. You see that there? You got a little 2 ones. Right, we need more time limits, jump power, alright? So I can collect the coins. There you go, before later on you can do interesting things like double jump. You go to this part here. And there you go, you failed. Speed. Okay, go a bit more there. 17. 19. Trying to collect all the coins. And there we go. A lot of coins there collected. Let's upgrade our jump power and then we're done. Yeah, there we go. Now we got 3, 21, 22, 23, 22, 23, 24. We got 3 now. Now you can see I got 3. Yeah. Look, you do that, and these guys here, these things kill you. Oh no! Yeah. Energy, time limits, got a bit more time now. Now we got 4, but that doesn't stop that there. We got 4. we upgraded our time limit, so yeah. I think we can go a little higher than we did before. Now you see that there, I can deal with this part there. This. Don't jump whilst the laser in it, because it is like a secret area here. But we don't have enough power, guys, so we have to upgrade if we want to get these two other coins. We have to upgrade, alright? Like this. Time up in midair. That was crazy, actually. 2 times multiply. 100 jump power. Alright then. 63. Like it doesn't. I think it doesn't always work. I think it doesn't like always work, but you can see that there we're much faster now than we did when we were at the start. There was one funny YouTube channel, guys, who tried to play this game, and they were like so annoyed why they only give them like I think like when I was little, I used to be annoyed when I was like a long time ago when I tried playing this game like a couple of weeks ago, and I think I was a little annoyed or something. But yeah, when I was like it's like what? I can't even collect this coin. There's not enough time to collect it. And then I saw that you have to collect them, and I was annoyed. And 96. Alright then, 96. Yeah, this is 4 now. If you do 9, we'll be able to get very high up. If you do plus 9, you see that there we're 184 already, as you can see that there. I'll be able to get like up to 200, I think. Yeah, that's okay. So you can just jump over it if you want. Or you can go through that. See that there? You've got only 3 seconds left, so there we go, 300 exactly. And we upgraded our jump power. There we go, we're much higher than we were. I want to show you my continued one. Guys, alright guys, just to show you how far I actually got. No. Oh, God. No. And also this. Right then guys, you have 0, but don't worry, you can. I know that excuse is to get 0. Look at this, this is the part I love. I saw this part. It's the part where there's like a coin heaven up there. And yeah, now there we go, double jump. Double jump. You can use the gunpowder now. I'm gonna need a lot of gunpowder. There we go. There we go, guys. You can get up there if you want, but I tried it. It's a little bit too tricky, and I can actually get up there if I want. I can actually you can actually shoot things. Well, you can collect the coins if you want. No, I think you're supposed to. Now there's 13 seconds left. 444, yeah, 2 digits. 600. Ammo. There we go, I got 2, so if I do that, and that, I can't do it anymore, but guys, save it, because something like really crazy happens, like at the end, I think you go into like a boss fight, and you have to shoot like, they shoot like crazy, like crazy fireball that, yeah, we're supposed to dodge, and I know it's dodging skills, so, I'm making the video. Alright guys, I've got the dodging skills. See, oh, my computer's just teasing me, guys. There we go, that's not my computer was teasing me for a second. I just moving on his note. So I should have saved that. Oh, push, it just explodes. Did she? Time limit, there we go. 32. 36. I can't get up there. It just won't let me just capture that on video. Just silly thing. No, sorry. Now, look at this, guys. Look at this. And there we go. 603 coins. Gunpowder. Energy. Time limits. 70. They go down. This is like 3, 8. Yeah, this is 5. So if we go 5, you can see how it just. If I do 9, we'll be like in 900 very quickly, guys. Before 9 seconds, I think. Now we got 3 instead of 2. Actually, we have 4 because now I just shot 1 and now I have 3. You can't shoot these saw blades. See how quick we are here. That's one of them. See, I got 5 first instead of 4. I got 3, 4, 5. There we go. Yay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I got an icky A, an icky line. That's a little silly song. Okay. I think 507. Come on, a bit of speed. Like, come on. Time limit 250. Okay, that should help me a bunch. I think I'm very fast now, so I can easily cross that. I got 4. Also, what you didn't know, guys, you can press something like. Oh my god, that took me. I didn't. No, don't press that. I'm not really sure what happened. That escaped. You can actually do something like to queue yourself, just to go up and upgrade more of your, like I said, more of your skills. But I have like if I click escape, probably gonna lose this. So yeah, I'm not really gonna do that. Think like a lion. Oh, think fishy. Yeah. Whoa. Right then. 150, 250 done. I got a lot of ammo now. Wow, I got 12. I fully upgraded it. There you go. I think I should upgrade a few more stuff. I feel like I don't have a bit more speed. It just doesn't let me upgrade. I'm gonna go around like crazy and try collecting as many coins as possible. I should of course upgrade the speed more often. There you go, guys. Now you can get it. You see that there? Got the worst internet ever. Hey, my guys, it's about to stop. Thanks for watching this video. You see, this game is. You see what you got to do is supposed to collect lots of coins. You can upgrade.